Welcome back, folks. This is Tommy, Help with Gadgets, and I've got another product here from Ekster for you to take a look at. This is pretty cool. This is today's March the 3rd when I'm recording this, and today is the official launch of the Vacuum Bag Plus, and that's what we have here. They're currently running, Ekster's currently running a spring sale, and I believe it goes from like February 26th to April 13th. Normally, you get up to 45% off of some of the products, but with my code, um, y'all can get up to 65% off. So, in other words, you get a 20% additional discount by using my code. I'll leave a link down in the description below, and then my code is Help with Gadgets, all one word. I'll leave that in the description as well. But this is the Vacuum Bag Plus. It's an improvement on their previous bag. It's faster and easier to pack the bag, pack your clothing in the bag. It has a side opening instead of the center opening, but it then does have a center compression or center valve, which helps with the compression better. And it's feels pretty durable. What I'm going to do now is once I finish up with this, I'm going to actually go into another room and show you two stacks of clothes. And I'm going to put one stack here. The clothes are very similar. It's a pair of pants, a couple of pair of underwear, a couple of pair of socks, a couple of shirts, and a hoodie. And I'm going to pack it all in this bag, and then use the handy dandy pump here, which let's go ahead and get that out. And just going to peel that off there. Comes with a charging cable, and it's rechargeable, so pretty cool. So what I'm going to do is pack this bag and then compress it and show you what the difference between the other similar stack of clothes is. So and then also that I wanted to mention that this is you've got a transparent kind of a frosted look to this material, so you can easily see what's in it. So that being said, let's go ahead and move into the other room and take a look at how it works. Be right back. All right, so you see two similar stacks of clothes here. I'm going to pack everything into the bag, pack all this stuff in the bag, and then show you how that works. So we've got sweatshirt, two t-shirts, two pairs of socks, two pairs of underwear, and a pair of pants. So let's go ahead and first thing to do is actually unzip this. Slide the pants in. We'll go ahead and put some of these smaller items in here as well, down to the bottom there. Let's go ahead and slide the hoodie in. Two shirts in. We'll grab this and we'll slide it closed. So there you have that. Now we're gonna do this and we'll plug the So now you have this flat and compacted where you had this stack of clothes over there. So this will fit real nicely into the suitcase. You get a couple of three of those and you can carry a lot of stuff that way. So just thought that might be a good demonstration of how it works. and what the results are. Hope you all have enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so. Let me know what you think about this this product and the content. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Hope to see y'all again soon. Don't forget, check down below for the link as well as the code to get some really good discounts. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.